नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट हांगा बॅटरी आसा, हॉर्सशू मॅग्नेट आनी रॉड. सो कितें जाता, पॉझिटिव्ह आनी नेगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल अशें दाखयलां म्हळ्यार करंट फ्लो कसो जातलो, असो वचून रॉडांतल्यान पास जावन असो येतलो. हांगा आसा हॉर्सशू मॅग्नेट. सो कितें जाता, जेन्ना करंट पास करता रॉडांतल्यान असो वचून असो येतलो, रायट. सो करंट पास करता तेन्ना इलेक्ट्रीक करंट पास जाता. सो इलेक्ट्रीक करंट पास जावप म्हटल्यार हांगा कितें जाता, मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस जाता. मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस जाता तेन्ना ऑब्वियसली कितें जाता, फोर्स प्रोड्यूस जाता, एका डायरेक्शनान फोर्स वता. सो हे कॉन्सेप्टान आमी कितें शिकतले, फोर्स ऑन अ करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर इन अ मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड. सो दिस इज अ करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर. सो करंट पास जाता तेन्ना मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड आसता. सो तेन्ना फोर्स जनरेट जाता. सो फोर्स जनरेट जाता तेन्ना कितें जाता, रॉड वो खंयच्या डायरेक्शनान मूव जाता, कित्याक मूव जाता, ते सगळे हे कॉन्सेप्टान आमी शिकतले. There was a scientist named Henry Mary Ampere. So what he suggested that the magnet also exerts an equal and opposite force on the current carrying conductor. Magnet, okay, it also exerts what, equal and opposite force on the current carrying conductor. So as you all can see here, easy line दिसता तुमका. This is what हांगा करंट पास जाता. हे पळय, फ्रॉम हियर करंट पास जाता. हांगा बॅटरी कनेक्ट केला, रायट. सो बॅटरी कनेक्ट केला आनी ही करंट, हांगा करंट पास जाता. सो करंट तुजो असो फ्लो जातलो. करंट असो फ्लो जाता, दॅट मिन्स हांगा करंट आसतलो, रायट. इट इज हांगा टच आसा पळय, इट इज कनेक्टेड, रायट. सो दॅट मिन्स इट इज कनेक्टेड ओवर हियर. हांगा जेन्ना करंट फ्लो जाता तेन्ना देर विल बी अ मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड. नाव रिमेंबर युअर रायट हँड थंब रूल. करंट असो फ्लो जाता, हांगा करंट असो फ्लो जाता. सो असो फ्लो जाता म्हटल्यार तुजो मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट. सो दॅट मीन्स वेन द मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन, देर विल बी अ फोर्स ऑन दिस करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर विच विल अलाव दॅट रॉड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. तेका धुकळटा, बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड तो फुडें धुकळून वयता. So what we will see that we will observe that rod will displace. So आता हांगा समज करंट कॅरिंग आसा, दिस इज बॅटरी अशी पास जाता. सो ह्या डायरेक्शनान करंट आसा, करेक्ट. सो ह्या डायरेक्शनान करंट आसा म्हटल्यार देर विल बी मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड इन दिस डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट. राइट हँड थंब रूल. सो दॅट मीन्स दिस हॅज टू मूव इनसाइड, राइट. दिस हॅज टू मूव इनसाइड. सो सेम थिंग, द रॉड विल एक्सपीरियन्स अ फोर्स when it is placed in magnetic field in a perpendicular direction to its length. Okay, I'll repeat. Rod will experience a force. So this rod will experience certain force when it is placed in a magnetic field. Yes, correct. There will be a magnetic field and that will be perpendicular direction to its length. So easy length asa pay, yeah, length tujo the magnetic field will be perpendicular. Yeah, length magnetic field will be perpendicular. That's the case. So what it says, the direction of exerted force. So this is what is the exerted force. Exerted force खातीर तो displace जालो, depends on the direction of current, correct. समज direction of current सारको ना जाल्यार this won't displace in this direction. And the second, direction of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines खंयच्या direction आसता, based on that there will be a certain force which will exert on the current carrying conductor. Next we will see what is left hand Fleming rule. So what do you mean by Fleming rule? Left hand Fleming rule. First we saw right hand thumb rule, very important. Similar way you have left hand Fleming rules. Now everything you have to deal with your left hand. So this is what you can see. Thumb, forefinger, middle finger. This is a north and south, so direction of field will be in this direction, correct. So what this thumb indicates, this thumb will indicate the direction of force. Force खंयच्या directions आमी आत्ता पयला, there is a certain force over here, right. So that force will be which that will be a perpendicular to the length of the conductor, correct? हेच हांव सांगला न्ही. आता हेजो पयलीचो पॉइंट कितें आसलो हांगा, perpendicular to the direction of its length. So here perpendicular to the direction of its length. This will be the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field, because it is north south, so direction of magnetic field will be this direction, and this will be the direction of the current. This finger will be your direction of a current. So what it says, according to this rule, very easy to remember, mother, father, child, thumb will point direction of motion or force acting on the conductor. So direction of motion M is what, mother. You have to do certain tricks to remember which will be your direction of motion or a force, which will be a magnetic field. Very easy to remember. Thumb will point the direction of motion, so motion is equals to M, so M matlab mother. You can do any other thing. So here I think this was the easy thing. Father, forefinger represents direction of magnetic field. So what direction? Magnetic field. Some field father, forefinger, magnetic field, father. And the middle finger represents the direction of current, child. What, where it is used, application is functioning of electric motor is based on this rule. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. हे तुमका मागीर कळटले Fleming's rule कशे आमी एका apply केला at the end of the chapter. This is what the Fleming's left hand rule. So what it says, thumb will point direction of motion or force acting on the conductor, forefinger represents direction of magnetic field, and middle finger represents direction of the current. Application is your electric motor. This is what is the diagram of electric motor. We will see in detail later. An electric motor is a rotating device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So electrical energy, so first you need electrical, so anga tuka current diuche pattale. So current dida tena there will be some mechanical motion and there will be a mechanical energy automatically. Okay, yeah, magir shikya in detail. Next, Michael Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Was scientist, what he did is he discovered that how a moving magnet can be used to generate electric current. So what कितें करता, magnet move करून electric current generate करता. आम्ही पयली कितें शिकलेले, इलेक्ट्रिक करंटांतल्यान तू मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड कशें जनरेट करता आनी हो कितें करता आता, मॅग्नेट मूव करून इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कशें जनरेट करप तें सांगतलो. ओके, very famous scientist Michael Faraday. हेचे 3 law आसा, that is also very important. What is this? This is a galvanometer. कित्याक यूज करता? This is used to tell the direction of current, to identify the direction of current, whether तो positive direction वयता काय negative direction वयता. On based on this you can, when you connect this instrument, you will come to know that. Okay, this is what is the symbol of your galvanometer, G. Okay, this is what is your arrow and certain marking on this side and certain marking this side. So either one of this, you can say this to be a positive side and this to be a negative side. If deflection is positive, then the current is flowing the positive direction, and if deflection is this side, the current is flowing in the negative direction. It's either one of them. So what is a galvanometer? It is an instrument that can detect the presence of current in the circuit. If pointer is at 0, there will be no flow of current. So तुका हांगा pointer समज मदी असलेला current आसपात ना. समज जेन्ना हांगा कनेक्ट करता ना, ऑब्वियसली कळटले की ह्या सायडी मूव जाला करंट खंयच्या डायरेक्शनान गेला, ह्या सायडी मूव जाला करंट खंयच्या डायरेक्शनान वयता. If a pointer is at 0, there will be no flow of current. If the pointer deflects on either side, right or left, this will show the direction of current. Okay, and this is how you represent it.